I know for me, it was hard to admit I'd learned some new skills. I'd learned to be a little more grace, give a little more grace. I definitely learned how to be more present. I'm really ambitious, and I'm always thinking about what's next. And then I look around and, I'm not where my feet are planted. So I'm much more present these days, and really appreciating like what's happening right now. Because that's the only thing that's real is right now, this moment. But I didn't want to give COVID any credit. I was mad at COVID and pandemic and stuff. And I was like, man, I'm a better presenter. I'm not admitting, no COVID, I'm not admitting I'm a better presenter, or, I communicate better, or I'm getting to spend more time with my family. No, COVID, forget you. I'm not admitting that. But after a while, I had to. And again, that's not the path I want to take, to be more present in my own life and spend even more time with my family and have multiple ways to connect. I mean, I'm in Canada today. That's insane. While I sit here in this nice shirt, jacket, and the rest that you will not see.